Recurve. A ton of them. Got it. You hear the sound. Me winning. I say before getting a fucking fat 8. What if we go Callistic Harry? What the fuck is Callistic Harry? Nick Legionnaire? 8? Six Legionnaire and then something. Oh? A go? Your Tris pair is actually fucking huge too. I'm just getting fucking money start. I see a VARUS game being a thing. 2, 4, 6, 7. Why is there a golden name? Is it the penguin? I swear it has to be the penguin. Fox. Good enough. Would have forgotten. VARUS better? Oh no. Still going to school? Nope. Stopped going to school like 2019?
I can't do shit right.
Spring?
I can't learn my lesson. I can't do shit right. Take antidepressants. Illness and welfare robbed my adolescence.
Kind of just like on and off, like working kind of thing.
Filled with anxiety, always be hiding me. Feeling inadequate's always what's driving me. Not a role model, that's not what I strive to be. Can't go outside, I'm afraid they'd be finding me. Paranoid about my privacy, yeah. And they always asking questions about my face. Can't relate. Fucking caught my own reflection. Broke a mirror the other day. Got a lot of
Okay, now we let this guy chill back. What are you going to school for this time, Danny boy? I know you mentioned school, but I don't know what you're actually planning to go to school for this time. Was it welding or was it the work? I know. I think you mentioned the work was like welding. I don't think you'd be going for school. It's Unless like that was a plan. Same shit. What shit are we talking about? Firefighting? Just actually going through with it? Oh, so like welding? Yeah, the recurve? Paramedic into fighter. Oh, okay. So you're slowly doing like your schooling for like being a firefighter then? VARUS with the tier. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Actually, no, recurve. What am I talking about? Rather this or like belts. Another recurve. We get rune ends here. Huge. Nope, taking off a year. Are you talking about the last year? Saved up enough? Oh, now you're fully paying or like fully covered for the school? That's like me. I saved up. I have like 20 gold, level 5 at like 2.5. I'm fucking rich. Sadly, I can't say the same about IRL. Unless my girl will pay for me. Damn. Yeah, I actually got that fucking sugar mama life. Sugar. Eh. Never say that shit again. No, I'm kidding. We know she's your sugar mama. It's okay. We gotcha. Yo, man, we take those. Do I actually just chill on this? I think I'm actually just chilling on this board. Oh. Genos. That is a fucking... Arvin? Jax. Arvin's not their guy, the fucking guy with the spear. Never mind. He has some beefy ass motherfuckers. They're all T2. Holy shit, dude. My win streaks, man. Fuck. Why is it always at like fucking 2-6 that I get fucking lose my win streak, man? This is actually sad. This is sad. Actual low-key depression. What is it? 5 gold. I have like 8 gold right there. I mean, Cavalier, Dawnbringer does nothing. Right, we're chilling. We win, we sell him. And then we make 50, and then we're slow rolling at level 5. Level 5? Yeah, level 5. We try to T3 Leona. Fuck. If anything though, I should probably be like jump hunting right now. It's like fall season, so places are definitely hiring. I might have slightly missed the timing, but
Lucky she got death, no.
Ali still going Venthyr? Yep. Venthyr is the way to go. It is huge on single target, and then overall it looks really solid too. Less throughput, but it is much better damage on bosses compared to Kyrian. Kyrian H-Pal are just like better throughput, decent damage now for like overall, but like their single target damage isn't that great compared to Venthyr. What are these dodge? Stop dodging! Burn, burn, burn! Yes. Okay, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you and your dodge. Stupid dodging. Negatron. Yesod. Why is a Negatron on a 1 cost, man? Actually, ooh, we could get a spat. Spat. Fine. He's going for it. Fuck. Okay. We could have had a fawn. Mm-hmm. Thrusley. Looks sussy. Sussa. RC, just more attacks. Yeah. Belvamp. Oh? Water beam. I think it's a. Skull Claws, obliterated my team. Nothing new there. Okay, so we are one Leona. Not bad. Oh. Pago. What does it, I can still make a redeem spat, right? I can make. Okay, I can still make a redeem spat. I just need an Negatron. I can make someone a redeemed. That'd be slightly decent. Lodge probably with this. Definitely need more tank items on Leona. Leona's a fucking frontline. I need something for her. Oh? Pago? That was a revenant. Damn. Seven, 7 I shove in, 6 redeemed, right? I lose the ranger? Or is ranger back in at level 8? Probably. Right? Oh! I could get rid of Aatrox for now. Get Relin. Yeah. That would be better. Why did she keep dodging so much, man? Ah, thank you. Oh, God. I need a Negatron. I am last pick. Oh, God. Alright, this gives me one more Varus. Fine, didn't even get an ult off. Nice. Definitely need tank items. Is it ever 9 redeemed? If we get a redeemed spat, like, fuck it, I'm down, right? Yeah, 11 here, we're 42. And at 5-1, we can just shove 8, have 0 econ, but we can shove 8 there. Never mind, we don't have enough econ. Oh, we got T2 Rel though. Holy fuck, dude. What? What? Yo, this is actually disgusting. Where's Devi? Because Devi's actually busy. People don't want to chill. It feels bad, dude. I'm kidding. They're busy doing stuff. GA. How do we make Cavalier? Cavalier Gunblade? We see if there's anything like Cavalier Gunblade wouldn't be bad. Okay, we gotta push this win streak. Got a beefy ass Leona. It's just Crowclaw. Push the advantage here. What the fuck? Never mind. We're hiding like this. Vel'Koz is scary. Oh, we got trap claws. Oh god. Okay, we got some fat bubbles. Not bad, not bad. Nice. Ooh, Exaxes. Nice, nice. We shoved 9. And we can shove in like a 3rd Ironclad, or we shove in Mystic. Either of those is fine. Assassin dude actually got a T3 Soraka. Or like Hugbug, Hugga Chugga. Other random rod on her. 25% more, and then 30 starting mana. That's actually kind of fat. That was also kind of fat. Decent chunk of AP damage. Not much AD damage, but I think that's also because like I actually have Ironclad and Knights. Ace Claws. Redemption. Dragon Claw. Dragon Claw, Zephyr. Get Zephyr in here then. Goodbye, bug. Nice. Oh, that was huge. We did 23 damage to him. At least I think so. The fuck is that? A random pie? Okay, we hit the jacks. Nice. Can't tell if the Jax is a scary one or if Delusion. I think it's Jax because it's triple item. I just went for that. Varus is out in the open now. Scary. Nice Assault. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, solid. Oh, that guy's going for T3 Jacks. Okay. Yes, 5 Jacks right now. We're just gonna shove in Jacks, right? Bunch of AD and AP. We CC the Jacks and he still did the fucking most. Holy sh. Oh fuck, I didn't swap it. No, 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 I didn't swap. Fuck! Oh, that's so bad. This is actually so bad. Yeah, that was really bad. Fuck. That's a misplay on my end. Okay. I'm okay with this. I didn't notice a Riven there. Oh no. Not good, not good. They are not killing each other. Oh, please. I think I won this. Yeah. Okay. What about the other guy? Oh! Yo! Double kill! Hey! We are winning with the best comp. Golden Shower. I would like to call out. Yo, thank you. Best comp. Busted. I'm kidding. This is really bad.